Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Edith. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to make homemade ice cream that you will enjoy. These are the recipe I'm going to use. This is condensed milk, sweet milk, and this is whipped cream. I will be using 2 of it, and this is chocolate. I will be adding vanilla extract also to the taste. These are the recipe I'm going to use. Relax and join me in this video, and please don't forget to press the notification button and like and share my video to your friends and family. Thank you. How to mix your ice cream. Add your whipped cream to your bowl. Then use your hand mixer. Mix it until it becomes thick. You can see how thickening it is. Now add your condensed milk. Then mix together. I don't want my ice cream to be too sweet, so I added the milk gradually. I didn't finish the whole can of milk. You can add your vanilla flavor to the taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flavor. Then mix together. It's your choice. If you don't want to add it, you can as well leave it, or you add whatever you want to add to the taste. I'm going to put it in the fridge. I will put it in a bowl, in a plastic bowl. Then put it in the fridge. You can see the way it looks like. The taste is very yummy. I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool. My homemade ice cream is ready to enjoy. You can see the outcome of my ice cream. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is the outcome of my ice cream.